I am Lenny. I'm here at the show in Costa Mesa, and I'm being interviewed by acoustics finder Brian. Good friend, been around, really gets it. And I really wanted to highlight power. When you're at a show like this and you have so many rooms in a hotel, and we have Wi-Fi and we're streaming, there's incredible amount of RFI, there's a EMI, there's what we call voltage contaminant, or just dirty power. And a lot of people don't realize that AC is bidirectional. So all the noise we're making in these gear is also feeding back into the wall. So we're all sharing each other's noise. And we're trying to make a first impression that's small. So we have to impress right away. So noise floor is crucial in these situations. So what I have here is an incredible company out of England called IsoTek. And what I like about IsoTek is they make smaller kind of bar style, they make line level style, they actually make regenerators. So they're not doing just one style of power, they do all three of them depending on what the necessity is. Why I like a regenerator and the way they do it is they regenerate, but only on a component level. So it has one outlet, 100 watts and below, but it's a perfect waveform. So it's perfect in hertz and perfect in voltage regulation. Stuck on a 115 perfect. What's great about that is I always plug my turntable into that, because either turntables are AC synchronous working off the frequency, or are they DC coupled, which works off voltage. So if both of them are perfectly locked and decoupled from the wall, I have low noise and perfect speed regulation for my turntable. Now all my gear that's line level is going into this V5 Aquarius. It's brand new. They worked on the chassis to make it very dense, quiet, not a lot of noise. You know, when you have a lot of, even these can be turned off because these create noise. And again, we're putting noise back into the wall. So they're thinking like that. This is all assembled in Europe. Each outlet is filtered. It has a Kirchhoff plane, so it has for DC offset and grounding issues. It's internal. It has two breakers, so you have a low current section and a high current section. But what's really cool about the new series, what we call V5, is this little piece right here. That's called a link cable. So say that you have 6 components and you're running, you're great, I'm never going to upgrade. Then you go to a show, hear a turntable and say, no, I want a turntable. But you don't have room. Well, this is what's great. This actually links to the back of your line level, whether it be one of the bigger Sigmas or the Aquarius or the Electra, one of the, this full rack size style can then be augmented and connected to a power bar style, put back here for lower wall warts or things of lower consumption without having to reinvest. And it's one on and off switch, it turns it all on. So it is expandable, quiet, really well made. They do a lot on the chassis, trying to make it as quiet as possible, because you don't want a conditioner that's supposed to reduce noise and actually create some kind of mechanical noise as well. So this is a Gen 1, so it's a regenerator that I'm running my turntable on. Everything now is being run off of this, and if I needed more outlets, I would have just expanded. So this is what I love about IsoTek. You can buy this one investment and keep expanding it and not having to worry about changing it in. It's quiet, well built, and in this situation, we would not have the sound we have in a hotel room, as noisy as it is, if it wasn't for the IsoTek. So we look at all this gear and we think that's what is the sound. We get the speakers usually, that's what's great. No, it all starts with the foundation. If we didn't have this power right, it wouldn't sound this way.
Thank you to our sponsor, Q Acoustics. From the affordable but high-performance 3000i series to the new advanced 5000 range through to the high-end concept family. Make Q Acoustics your entry point, your next sonic step up, or your end-all for your hi-fi and music listening journey.